Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Plants vs. Zombies. To begin, your main goal is to defend your home from an onslaught of quirky zombies. You'll need to collect Sun, which is the in-game currency, to plant your defenses. Each plant has a specific cost and unique ability, so choosing the right ones and placing them strategically is key to stopping the zombie invasion. The core of the game revolves around sun management. Sun drops from the sky or is produced by sunflowers you plant, allowing you to deploy more defenses. Zombies will march down 5 separate lanes, so you must ensure each lane is adequately protected. Combining sturdy plants like walnuts with offensive ones like pea shooters creates a strong defense against the undead. When comparing versions, the original Plants vs. Zombies provides a pure, unadulterated tower defense experience. Subsequent games often expand on this, introducing a wider array of plants, zombies, and sometimes new mechanics like power-ups or in-game purchases. Your choice might depend on whether you prefer the charming simplicity of the first game or the expanded content of later installments. Deciding which version is better largely comes down to personal preference. Many players adore the original for its perfect balance, iconic characters, and straightforward fun. However, newer versions provide hundreds of additional levels, new plant combinations, and more varied zombie types, appealing to those seeking extended gameplay and fresh challenges. Both offer hours of entertainment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.